how to create another YouTube channel with the same email. So in order to create another YouTube channel with the same email, first you need to go to YouTube, and at the top right corner you can see your profile icon right here. Just click on it and then go to your channel section right here. The first option, click on it and then click on customize channel as shown in the screen. Now after the page loads up, click on settings right here in the left panel in the bottom, and after this page appears, just click on channel right here. The second option, click on it and then go to advanced settings. Slide down, click on manage YouTube account, then click on create new channel right here as pointed by the pointer in the screen. Click on it. Now what you need to do is add a channel's name. For example, let me add, now after I've added the channel name, you can just simply click on I understand this terms and conditions, right? Just click on it and then click on create right here. And then you can see that your channel has been created. You can go to this icon right here and then click on switch account. And then right here you can see the account that I just created with the same email. It's just from the same email, and then that's how you create a YouTube channel with the same email. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.